Hey guys, welcome back. In this episode, I'll be showing you how you can fix phone keeps on disconnecting from Wi-Fi issue. If your phone keeps disconnecting from the Wi-Fi, frustrating, and here are some steps you can try to troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue. Sometimes simply restarting can resolve temporary glitches. So all that you have to do is just turn off your phone, wait for a few seconds, and then turn it back on. So in order to do that, you have to long press onto your side button and then swipe up in order to restart your device. Apart from it, you can also go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings. So for that, you need to open up your settings, and from here go to network and internet. Long press on the following Wi-Fi that you're connected to and click the forgot button, and then reconnect to the network by selecting it from the list, entering the password if required. After that, you can also ensure that you're within the range of your Wi-Fi router. Move closer to the router and see if the connection improves. Now, walls such as obstacles and distance can also weaken the Wi-Fi signals, and you can also, or else you can turn off your Wi-Fi router, wait for the minute or two, and then turn it back on. This can help to reset the router, fix and connectivity issue as well. Now, check if there is any firmware update available for your router. You can also visit the manufacturer's website for the instructions on how you can update the firmware, or else you can also restart the network settings. So for that, you need to go to settings and go to the system, and then you can go to the reset option by just clicking on the reset and go to reset Wi-Fi and mobile Bluetooth whatsoever, and click the reset settings button, and that might be able to fix the issue. Or else you can also check the router settings. Now make sure that your router settings are configured correctly. Ensure that the Wi-Fi network is using the appropriate security settings, that is WPA2 is recommended, and that the DHCP server is enabled as well. Or else if nothing seems to be working out, then the alternative solution would be to contact the network provider and stating about the issue. These way you can fix your phone keeps on disconnecting from Wi-Fi issue. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.